Cloud Data Marketplace, a quick start guide for content creation. Hi everyone, my name is Navid Haider. I am a solution architect at Informatica, and this video is being created as a quick start guide on content creation for CDMP. Data sharing. When it comes to data sharing, the term is self-explanatory. It is about sharing data. That is an indisputable truth, but there is a step before this needs to be considered. How do people know whether the data they need even exists? How do they know what is available and can be shared with them? This is where the marketplace comes into the picture. The Informatica Cloud Data Marketplace is a purpose-built data sharing marketplace solution that caters to data consumers of all data literacy level. It is designed to make the process of browsing, searching, and locating data that you want to use as simple as possible. CDMP solves following challenges. It can be used to search or locate the data that you need in a catalog. It also takes care of requesting the access to a specific data set and then complete the simple shopping experience as a checkout process. It can also be used to control and audit data owner review and approve or reject requests based on the data access policies. And then the grant access, like the operations team provision data access if it is approved by the data owners. Data Marketplace is coupled with other Informatica services in cloud and is also flexible to publish data from any source system, including other like non-Informatica data governance toolset as well. CDMP high-level flow of activities. At high level, there are four main roles. Data Marketplace Administrator, who prepares the data assets and delivery templates that can be used by data owners to create data collections. Data owner uses the data asset to create and publish a data collection which can be searched and requested access by data users. If a request for access made, then data owner is also responsible for appropriate action of either approving or rejecting this request by data users based on policies defined in the tool. Data users or consumers can search data marketplace and find data collection that meets their requirements. If the data user is unable to find a required data collection, they can also request for a new data collection. In that case, data owner creates a new data collection in response to the data collection request. After the data user finds the relevant data collection, they place an order to gain access to the data, and data owner review and approve the order as needed. Once the order is approved, the technical owner grants the access to the data users based on the available delivery method. In today's discussion, we will focus on data collection preparation only for a quick start of CDMP journey. These are some common or frequently used terms in the data marketplace. I am not going to read all the text here. However, we do recommend to watch a video, Knowledge Base, by Informatica as titled Different Types of Assets in CDMP. The link is provided at the end of the deck under the Useful Resources. Cloud Data Marketplace Data Contents. Category or domain, these terms can be used interchangeably. It is a grouping of related data collections in a data marketplace. A data domain is a predefined classification where the data marketplace administrator can publish data assets and create data collections underneath that. Data domain can also have other data domain as a subdomain as well. Data collections is a collection of one or more data assets. A data user can order a data collection or request access to the data. Data asset is an object that can be created, read, updated, or deleted. Data assets may contain related data elements and can be compared to a table in the data terminology. A data asset can be part of multiple data collections as well. Data element is the smallest unit of the data. in the data marketplace, we can refer it to a piece of information in a data set. For example, if a data set is a table, then data element can be referred to a column in the table. And this represents the hierarchy of the data contents. This section talks about content creation in data marketplace. For content creation, there are certain prerequisites. First of all, the IDMC core services are configured, orgs and users are created and provisioned. Cloud Data Marketplace user interface is accessible to the user who's going to create. And third one, the user have either Data Marketplace administrator or one of the corresponding role to create the category, data collection, delivery, template, etc. as you see in the list of these roles, which are predefined by Informatica IDMC core services. Contents can be created either manually under Create Here, in CDMP user interface, or in bulk by using the bulk upload process in CDMP using template files. The Data Marketplace administrator and/or data owner role is required to create contents. Bulk upload facilitates creation of several items such as data domain, data collections, data assets, data elements in Data Marketplace at once. However, there is a recommended order so it can validate relationship in hierarchy during upload process. The user interface also have these shortcuts for creating terms of use, delivery templates, and data assets. We have already a recorded webinar on how to create category and data collection in CDMP. The video KB link is also available in the details at the end of the deck under the useful resources. CDMP have options to bulk upload for pretty much all types of contents and relationships. As you can see, there are three sections for configuration, content, and relationships accordingly. Some mandatory relationships must be defined as part of the bulk upload template itself. However, other optional relationships of contents can be created using relationship templates afterwards. One can download these all templates and fill in data values for contents they like to create in CDMP to kickstart. As mentioned earlier, this is recommended sequence for creating contents in CDMP. Though it is not mandatory, however, there are some dependencies which should be considered while uploading bulk data templates. First, define data domains or categories, such as sales, HR, marketing, etc. Or geographically segregation of the global data can also be a good example. After defining domain or categories, create a delivery template. Delivery template contains format and method of delivery for data collection. Both format and method must be defined before delivery template data collection. Then term of use is recommended, which provides overall conditions and guidelines for appropriate usage of the data collections. There can be one or more terms of the use. Now one can create data collection, where data collection can be created even without data assets, as data assets can be added later to the data collections. Data assets can be created independently from data collections or data domains and can be added to the create collections at a later stage. Data assets can be created via bulk upload or using the data assets from the data sets in Cloud Data Governance via CDGC linked assets. Data elements can be uploaded as bulk, or it might be part of the data asset published from the Cloud Data Governance catalog. Data elements must be associated with the data asset. Delivery targets for collection is used as a specific template for data collections, where data collections can have more than one delivery templates as well. And during the delivery choice, it can be selected what type of delivery method is used for that particular order. Last but not least, the terms of collections can be created and associated to a specific data collection, where you may have multiple terms of use. For example, the data can be accessible, controlled, or restricted. These are the different types of the usage which can be associated with the data collections. Bulk upload templates with sample data. In addition to bulk upload templates for easy kickstart data marketplace journey, Informatica also provides sample marketplace data to explore and learn more about CDMP and its various components, along with hierarchies and relationships. These templates with sample data can be downloaded from CDMP portal under the Guide Me in Useful Links section, as you can see on the screenshot. This is the list of files that can be downloaded from CDMP and their required sequence number to upload to the Cloud Data Marketplace. These files can be used to generate sample data contents for quick start learning experience of CDMP. These templates are provided by Informatica and may be updated in the future releases if underlying data model changes in Cloud Data Marketplace. This section talks about content creation templates in detail. Data templates have some required and other optional columns. All mandatory columns are marked in red and with asterisk. A data domain or category is a logical grouping of related data collections. It is a classification defined for data owners to publish data collections accordingly under data domain or category. Data collection is a grouping of one or more related data assets and can be used for relevant keywords to search that meets the requirements such as customer, retention, report, expense data, etc. This is a data asset template with list of the data assets and can be compared to a dataset or table in the database, which can be created, read, updated, or deleted independently. Data assets may contain related data elements underneath. A data element is the smallest unit of the data present in data marketplace. A data asset may contain one or more related data elements. This template shows the required data elements attributes in the red color as well. The terms of use provide usage guidance that a user must accept to use the data. There may be multiple terms of use in CDMP, which can be enabled or disabled. And type of usage is also a mandatory column, which provides guidance on the data privacy. Delivery template. Delivery template defines how approved data can be delivered to the users. This template contains the delivery format and delivery method, and also the location. Data owners can use delivery templates to create new delivery targets for their data collections as needed. To create a delivery template, user must have at least data market delivery owner profile and role assigned. However, technical administrator and technical marketplace administrator also have this capability. Other important point, the delivery format and delivery method you want to use are already present in the data marketplace. This concludes our today's topic of quick start guide to content creation in CDMP using bulk upload. Please also refer these following links. We will create more useful videos about the usage of the CDMP product. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video.